Friday afternoon, still in the office grinding. It's about 5:50 right now, and we're gonna talk about your favorite topic, money. Go ahead and join me in the conference room right here. The reason software sales is such a desirable career path is because the upside earning potential is incredibly lucrative. I'm gonna break down my exact earnings over my 3-year software sales career, starting as an SDR, moving up the ranks, making 40,000 cold calls, generating tens of millions of dollars in pipeline, to eventually promoting to an account executive. And I'm gonna talk about exactly how much I make today at 25 as an account executive at my company on that board right there. I'm gonna talk about OTE as well, on target earnings. On this channel, I'm never trying to sell you anything. My goal is to be as transparent as possible about my successes, my failures, my experiences, actually working in sales on the front line just like you. If you're trying to find your dream sales job, or if you're already in sales today, make sure to subscribe to the channel now. This is over day 50 in a row putting out a brand new video just like this one. My mission is to elevate salespeople's belief in themselves, so I would love for you to be a part of the journey. And of course, if you're looking to increase your software sales income and salary, make sure to drop a like on this video below. Let's get as many likes as possible. We have a tremendous community, and I'm gonna now get on the board now and talk about my own software sales income explained. OTE. First thing you need to know working in software sales, we had a lot of interns in the office here today. They were asking about their offer letters and how much money they can expect to make right out of college working in software sales. That's what you need to know to start off. OTE, that stands for on target earnings. In software sales, you're gonna get paid a base pay, which is fixed, and a variable pay, which is commission. Your base pay is a salary, and your variable commission pay is based on your performance. So the better you do, the more you sell, the more videos you watch on this channel, ultimately the more money you're gonna make. SDR. That's the first position you're gonna get working in software sales as an SDR. Right out of college, my OTE, 50K. Right out of college, my OTE was 50K. I hope you can see that. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. My OTE was 50K. I was moving to a brand new city in Dallas. I lived in a really expensive place. My rent was like $1,400, and I still managed to feel like I had more money than I ever knew what to do with. And it's funny, the contrast as you start to make more money, and I've tripled my income since then. I'm gonna talk about exactly how I did that in this video. You start to experience lifestyle inflation. So if you're worried about exactly how much money you're making, don't worry about that. If you make marginally $5,000, $10,000 more, all that means is you're gonna be able to go on one extra trip, buy an extra iPhone, whatever it may be. Don't worry so much about the OTE. A lot of recruiters reach out to me and say, Trent, the OTE is 275K, these really high numbers. Don't worry about that. Worry more about the culture fit and the actual quality of the company. 50K right out of college SDR. As soon as I promoted to an SDR2, my OTE went up to 65K. We increased I increased my earnings by 15,000 within 9 months, becoming an SDR2. That year, I think it was 2019. It was 2019. I was 23 going on 24. My on-target earnings was 65,000, and I ended up making about $82,000 a year. How did I do that? What you need to ask the companies you're looking at are, do you have accelerators and do you have uncapped commission? If you exceed your quota, do you get paid 2x, for example, on all of your commission that you earn? And then if you hit your number, are you able to essentially earn infinity? At my company, we were, and I outperformed, so I was able to make more than I was expected to earn. If you're interested in my actual performance, the company I work for, go check me out on LinkedIn and make sure to connect with me. Happy to answer any questions you ever have, or if I can help you in any way, connect with me and we can join networks. Within 6 months, I promoted to an SDR3, senior SDR. My earnings went up to 80K. 80K. That's another 15K. That's another 15K right there. You guys are really gonna like this. At age 24, 2020, during COVID, during the pandemic, my on-target earnings was $80,000. That year, 2020, I reported an income of over $130,000. 111 of that was from the software sales. So I greatly exceeded my expected income, and the remaining 20K was capital gains. So if you're looking to diversify your income, the easiest way to do that is to make more money and then put that money to work. Your money is useless unless it's working for you. The most efficient way to put your money to work, in my opinion, right now, as a young 20-year-old guy or girl, is by investing in the stock market. I put all of my money to work, and I have other videos talking about my wealth creation strategy. In this video, we're explaining software sales income, so just know that my on-target earnings was 80K and I made over 111K in software sales. Fast forward about 9 to 12 months, a year, and I promoted from an SDR to an account executive. What is my on-target earnings today? 131K. 131K. You probably can't read that. People say my handwriting's bad. 131K on-target earnings. Think about that. Age 25, 3 years out of college, already making well over $100,000. If that sounds unbelievable, or if that sounds underwhelming, that's the reality working in software sales. 50K to 130K. How is that possible? How do you do it? Do you guys even see the math right here? The key to software sales is performance. And if you want to perform better, simply put in more time. That's why I'm still here at 6 p.m. on a Friday. And I'm not trying to say I'm better than anyone else or worse than anyone else. It just comes down to what you want and what are you willing to put in to get the desired outcomes. The bottom line working in software sales is that the upside is tremendous and you have a very high earning threshold. When I promote to the next level account executive, my on-target earnings will go up to over 150K, the next level 180K, the next level easily over 200K, and that's within a 3 to 5 year time horizon. Eventually, when I become an enterprise software seller, which you absolutely can as well. Essentially, you're working with large companies. Your on-target earning can be anywhere from $200,000 to $400,000, if not more. One big deal, and you can push over $500,000 annually. So if you're looking to make a lot of money, if you're looking to have a great work-life balance and lifestyle and work for interesting companies and help improve other companies, look to get into software sales. Let me know if I can ever help you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Let me know down below if you have any other questions. Connect with me on LinkedIn, and I will see you in the next video. Best of luck.